Good night. This blog is about my anecdotes. Hello, I am Geraldine. For me, the anecdote means feeling and experiences. They are memories that never are forgotten, as in this case, in the image, the tall dark man is my boyfriend, and the small boy is my best friend. That day, we were on a walk La Rochela with our family. We laughed, we danced, we sang, we had a great time. This is my team working in the billing area in the hospital. We are very close as a family, so we share a suite. There is no day in which Samir or Diana jokes to miss Mrs. Marta. If someone comes sad, the other make him happy. Thank you, teacher.